Myself is Rimple Parmar. Today's my topic is interpersonal relationship. First, objective purpose and types, phases, barrier to interpersonal relations, methods of overcoming barriers, and Johari video. First, introduction. Definition of interpersonal relationships. IPR means interpersonal relationship. IPR refers to the reciprocal social and emotional interaction between two or more individuals in an environment. Means IPR means two or more personal to relationship between like a behavior, nature, communication, trust, value, caring, empathy, autonomy, and mutualization. Okay, means IPR interaction means relation means whatever a person depend on person like a close friend, mother and father, and other respective faculties or high authority persons. IPR is IPR is defined as a close association between individuals to share common interests and goals. IPR means interpersonal relationship, how to talk the person, and like a common interest means which topic to share with her or him. IPR IPR means interaction or relation between two or more individuals. Means IPR means a two person together talk and how to communication with the people. Dynamic of interpersonal relationships. First diet means two interesting people. Two people talking with her together together communication and how to like a goal achievement and the goal planning. Next, group more than three people, like a more than three people to discuss and first plan, goal, and the how to communication with the people and sharing the ideas. And next, friend means consist of the three people. Three people are a different do the work, and that time to get different ideas and the all the plan oriented. Next, purpose of interpersonal relationship. First, IPR for individuals, and second one is IPR for a nurses, and third one is IPR for a patients. First one, IPR for a individuals, personal growth and development. Means the personal growth and development depend on the family, depend on the area, and depend on the mentality, right? Second one is a source of enjoyment. Source of enjoyment means depend on the person, how to communication and how to talk, and whenever to talk with her or him, how to enjoy yourself and also to other people. Third one is a sense of security. Means the also the personal details like a bank details and the personal passwords. Next, developing understanding like a IPR maintaining how to treat the personality, behavior, and mental development. Check the behavior, nature of person, and how to communication. And next is the interpersonal needs, right? Means how to communication with the people. And what is the first need? Means clarity, trust, feelings, understanding. Okay. Next one is the establishing personal understanding. Means how to communication and how to understanding. Next is a IPR relationship for a nurses. Building positive functional multidisciplinary team. Means whenever to talk any person, that time to give a positivity and always to be positive and also to work together like a good way. Improving inter-team communication, coordination and cooperation. Always to work together and always be positive and and a good way to communication in the patient care. Next to the building mutual understanding and cooperation means the mutual understanding and together work is the most important in the patient care. Next, Understanding self. First, the motivation to the self and also to improve the knowledge and improve decision making. Means if have a emergency condition, that time to give a quickly decision. Improve problem solving. Whenever to patient trouble or some having problem, that time to give a advice or problem solving. Next, move to the IPF for a patients. Developing a sense of security and comfort. First, to give comfortable space because comfortness is a very important for a patients and also to the security. Forcing and trust cooperation. Never force to the patient any like a surgery or any procedure because without any permission not to get to like a starting a procedure or a operation. So please cooperate with the patients. Next, facilitating communication means all available to facility provide like bed system, hospital systems, electricity systems. Okay. Next, and also to include the medical treatments and all. Next, improving socialization means how to communication like a social workers and doctors, patients, nurse. Okay, so improve the socialization and do professionally to talk with a patient. Next, developing and maintaining positive feelings. Always be positive and developing the knowledge and also to support to the patient. Next, types of IPR. First is the friendship. Is whenever have a problem, that time to share with the friends or relatives. And second is the family and kinship. Means family means good communication is well and if have any problem that time to always supporting system like a family. And third one is the professional relationship. Professional relationship means the professionally to maintain your dignity and also to maintain a how maintain a time management and also to communication. And third one is a love. Love means sharing the ideas and how to express the feelings. Next is the marriage. Marriage means a husband and wife relationship. There are so many problems occur that time to good communication and work together. Next is the platonic relationship. Platonic means intimate and animate and not to differentiate but not a sexual relationship. Only love and affection means only like that. Not a like a someone expressed feelings. And next is a casual relationship. Casual means a advisor relationship, right? Means have any problem that time to share the ideas like us means give a advice on that time. And next is a brotherhood and sisterhood means whenever to problem or some like adult girls problem that time to give advice or someone that time to help like a brother or a sister. And then last one is the advocate means a person knowledge or experience of something means not right to the explanation. Understand? So again I repeated types of IPL. First is a friendship, family, professional relationship, love, marriage, planotic relationship, casual relationship, brotherhood and sisterhood, and last one is a acquaintance. Phases of interpersonal relationship. First one is the orientation phase, means problem defining phase. Second one is the identification case, selection of the appropriate professional assistant. Third one is the exclusion phase of the professional assistant for a problems, solving objectives. Fourth one is the resolution phases and termination of professional relationship. Next, move to the in the details. I explain you. First one is the orientation phase. Orientation phase is a static initially encounter between a nurse and as a stranger and the patient having a problems. Means what? Patient have any problem that time to give a advice and good communication. Tag, tag formation occur between the nurse and patient. Means if have any problem that time to give a nurse and patient good communication. And third one is the nurse clarify his or her responsibilities. Means if have any problem that time to give advice or some uh, like a clarity to the patients. The nurse identifies the patient problems, define the problems and settles on the types of service needed. Means whenever the patient needs any needs that time to give a comfortness support and always to the patient care. Second one is the identification phase. In this phase, the nurse approaches the patient with an empathic understanding to understand accurately the problems. Is always to understand the patient problems. While communicating with the patient problems, the nurse should use specific terminology rather than the abstract terms. Means, as a nurse, use medical terms, no to other terms. The nurse helps the patient to identify his problems in their own context and the uses of available resources to solve them. Means have any problem that time to hospital criteria and the hospital treatment to give for a better health. The nurse helps the patient to use the best professional assistant to solve their problems. So, if have a patient any emergency condition, that time to give a advice or the problem solving. The patient's self-esteem will be boosted by having feelings or belongingness and having the ability to solve the problems. Next, exploration phases. Is making use of professional help to gain as much as possible. Means whenever a patient is not well, that time to give a advice and professionally maintain your communication. The patient understands his problems and explore or possible alternative solution to his problems. Means if patient not secure or not responding that time to give a like a positivity and motivate to the patient. The nurse helps the patient to learn how to explore and use the available resources to solve his problem. I again repeat it. If have a patient any problem, that time to give a all care to give a patient. The patient uses the base solution and the solve his problems. The patient is able to deal adequately with his or her problems. If have any problem, that time to give a first care means first priority to give a patient. Fourth one is the resolution phases. This termination of the professional relationship that begins with the conveyance and the rehabilitation stage of hospitalization and end with the discharge of patient. Means what whenever patient get admission and last one discharge, that time to give all bills payment and all the reports to give a patient and also to the xerox copy with her or him. The needs or client have been made and they depart from each other therapeutically. Means in a depend on the department all needs to give and the all care to give the patient. If psychological dependence has been developed, it should be a terminate therapeutically and tactfully. Means have any psychological problem or like a lack of knowledge that time to give a therapeutic care and also give a advice to the tractfully means depend on the condition. Next is the definition of the barrier IPR. Barrier to IPR are resistant or obstruct which interrupt the develop of relationship between individuals. Means if any person to not talk or not a good to good nature that time to give a good advice and also to the good communication to try for a better understanding. Okay, or not to talk with her or him. So that time to like behavior like uh, anger, and also to the like not a good communication blockage, and then process to the not properly. So that time the communication block occur. So is the IPRR not maintaining. So if have a good relationship or good communication, so sender to message, message to channel, and channel to the receiver after then the feedback. Barrier of the IPR. First one is the situational barrier, means if have any problem or a depend on condition, that time to give a advice or some the changes the mood. Second one is the social barriers. Social barriers means the using the social media apps and the social media channels. And the third one is a personal barrier. Personal barriers means the personality, nature, behavior, and the personality. Personality barriers. First one is the others. Others means all things to like how to talk nature, and also to include how to communication. Rejecting and psychiatric condition means some depend on condition how to talk with her or him. And second one is the gender, means depend on the person like a girl and boy. Boy are always to like a well understanding, or sometimes to anger someone, but girls are always polite nature, and all to like let go, and always to keep it up. Lack of flexibility means the always to the to let go, and a good communication with the people. Distract the self concept means always to motivate the self and the good idea. Lack of honesty and the trust. So in a relationship, honesty and trust are most important. So maintain the trust and the love and care. Lack of the comparability means no one can compare to the other people. Like two people are two girls never compare. Like there are so many differences, like a nature, looking, and also like a behavior. Feeling of insecurity. Whenever person to have a problem or a patient, so give a foster provide a security. Next, ineffective communication is always to give a support, good supporter. Whenever to not a good communication, that time ineffective communication. So, process is communication is not well that time to blockage occur in the communication. And like last one is a lack of respect for rights or others, means all rights the follow, and also to good communication. Fear of the rejection whenever the problem, that time to not a fear and to the good behavior with the patients. Next to the situational barrier. First one is the complex and interaction setting, means whenever the problems or if any emergency condition, that time to give a action and plan for the condition. And next, advise environmental situation. Whenever the environmental condition like monsoon season, right? So that time to the different emergency condition occur. So good to action the plans. Last one is a lack of adaptability, means the to the improve to the knowledge, and also to the try to better understanding. And high density individuals. High density individuals means the increase the population. Whenever the population the increase like a particular area, that time to give a advice. Nowadays the corona occur. So what to give advice? Wearing mask, maintaining distance. Okay. And next to the increase the physical distance. I already told that maintaining the distance. Lack of time means not wasting time for others. Give a self-care. Socio-cultural barriers in the force. Cultural diversity, social diversity, ethnic diversity, language diversity. So first one is a cultural diversity. Cultural means what? Cultural means the So first one is a cultural diversity. Cultural diversity means depend on the culture, means the lifestyle, languages, right? And the second one is the social diversity. Social diversity means the race, ethnicity, religious beliefs, economical status, language, knowledge, background, experience, all are included in the social diversity. And the third one is the ethnic diversity. Ethnic diversity means the traditions, language, history, society, culture, nation, religions, social, and the treatment. All are the different ways. And the language diversity means they depend on the area, depend on the country. Next, move to the methods of the overcoming barriers. Strategy to overcome personal barrier. First is a gender must be given due to concentration. Means depend on the person how to concentrate. Like a girl and boy concentrate on the board, like on the board and the different things. And second one is that honest and trust must be maintained. Means the inner relationship is the most important is the trust. Third one is there are there should be understanding and adjustment attitude. Whenever the inner relationship, always always do let go and the well understanding with or partner or someone else. Comparability must be unsure, means never compare to any person. And the sense of security must be maintained, means always to the personal data, never share anyone. Effective communication is important, right? I already told that effective. Whenever to told or any person like sharing ideas in order to clear the concept. Flexibility should be maintained, like always to be let it go. Next, strategy to the overcome situational barriers. Interaction setting should be a simple and familiar. Means not a tough. That time to setting a simple way and the familiar. Special care must be taken advice and environmental situation. Is a give a special care and the give a comfort case. In large organization, individuals must spend quality with co-workers, strength and bond between them. Means give a advice and good communication with the people. Next, strategy to overcome socio-cultural barriers. Means cultural diversity can be enhanced by openness, trust and owning and the risk to experiment. Depend on the experience and over risk to the culture diversity. Second one is the maintaining eye contact, appreciate body language, active listening can enhance interpersonal communication. Means maintaining a eye contact, body language, because whenever the uh, like a, in an emergency condition, that time to be in the speaking to the vibration and also to the uh, also to changing mind and weakness to show in the body posture. And the last one is a social variation can be tracked by flexibility and adaptability means to social variation, if you have a problem that time to the flexibility and adapt to the communication. Thank you.